This video is sponsored by Envato Elements. Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Design video product faster, with Envato Elements. Get unlimited downloads, After Effects templates, stock footages, fonts, music files, web templates and many more. Visit the Envato Elements, check the first link in the description, and get 70% discount on first month subscription. Here you can see, I have imported the media file which I will be using for this project. Here you can use any media file, image or video for this demonstration. So without any wait, let's see how to create this effect. Create a new composition. Here I will name it as slide. Here I will set time duration to just 2 seconds. Now let's create a new solid layer. I will name it as color. Here you can set the color for this solid layer or in Effects and Preset, search for Fill. Add it to solid layer. Now for this solid layer, press P to bring up position. Now at near about 1 second and 10 frames. Create keyframe for position. Now at start of the timer line, change X position value for color layer as shown. We need to place it outside the frame. You can see the preview. Perfect. Now let's create duplicate of this layer. Here we will set color to green. Now press P to view position keyframes. Here we will place end keyframe at 1 second. Now for this keyframe, adjust the X position as shown. You can see the preview. Here you can also adjust the first keyframe just to get slight different output. Now let's again create duplicate. Here we will set color to blue. Now press P to view position keyframes. Now adjust the X position for solid as shown. You can see the preview. Now for all these layers, press P to bring up position. You can position the keyframes, you can change position or place anytime. Select created keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease, now adjust the speed graph as shown. Perfect. Here you can create this in different direction as well. Now select all the solid layers, pre-compose them. Here I will name it as matte color. Now let's hide this matte composition. Add media file to the timer line. Scale your media file if needed. Here I will scale my image. Now let's pre-compose it, name it as media. Select Move All Attribute into New Composition. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Set Matte, add it to the media composition. For Set Matte, change Take Matte from Layer to Matte Color. Now for Alpha Channel, set to Red Channel for this composition. you can see the preview. Now here we will add some shadow effects. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Drop Shadow, add it to the media composition. Here I will set direction to 90 degree. Set distance to 90. Now let's set softness to 250. Now let's create duplicate of this media composition. For above duplicate, let's change alpha channel, set it to green channel. Here you can see the shadow effect. Here you can adjust the shadow, you can adjust the distance, softness, etc. Now let's again create duplicate. For this media composition, change track matte to blue channel. Now you can see the preview. Perfect. Now to make this transition colorful, we need to create a new solid layer. We will make this as overlay. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Gradient Ramp. Now add it to solid layer. Here you can set any color of your choice. Adjust the ramp positions. Now again create a new solid layer. For this solid layer, select Pen tool and create mask as shown. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Fill, add fill to this solid layer. Here you can set color of your choice to have a gradient effect. Now for this solid layer, let's adjust the mask feather, unlink feather. Now adjust the feather value as shown. Perfect. Now select both layers. Pre-compose them. Name it as overlay. In Effects and Preset, search for Set Matte. Add it to the overlay composition. Set Take Layer from to Matte Color. Now set channel to red channel. Similarly we will do for channel green and blue. For overlay, change mode to hard light. Now place this composition above the first media composition. Now create duplicate, place it above second media composition. Change matte to green channel. Now again create duplicate, place it above third media composition, change matte to blue channel. Now let's see the preview. Perfect. Here you are free to set any color of your choice. Here you can see the effect. Here you can also adjust the mask feather value. Also you can change the color. Here you can see the effect. For media, press P to bring up position. Now at 1 second, create keyframe for position. Now at start, change X position value as shown. Make sure it's outside the frame. Let's copy the keyframes. We will paste this keyframes on all the above compositions. Press P to view keyframes. Select all keyframes. Change keyframe assistant to Easy Ease. Now adjust the speed graph. Now you need to adjust the position for keyframes as shown. place them at distance of 5 frames. Perfect. Now let's see the final preview. Similarly, you can create multiple slides and create your video. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you next week with another awesome tutorial.